Hello, super students! It's me, Bruce Moose!
And me, Miss O. Welcome back to another day of sounds and words.
We're so glad you could all join in. Let's begin by reading our learning target. Say it with me, everybody. I can identify specific sounds in words.
Great job, everyone. Today, we're going to begin with a rhyming activity. We are going to come up with words that rhyme with our make-believe word. Our category today is things you can find in people's homes. I'll say the make-believe word. You try to find the real rhyming word, things you can find in people's homes. This is something you guys use almost every day. Blumputer. What's a real thing you use every day at home right now that rhymes with blumputer?
Computer!
Yeah, computer. Good job. Here's our next one. Flayble. What do people have in their homes that rhyme with flayble?
Table!
That's right, table. Good job. Let's listen to one more word. Drayers. What do people have at home that rhyme with drayers?
Chairs.
Good job. Chairs.
Awesome job coming up with words that rhyme.
For our next activity, I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to repeat the 2 words that have the same first sound. Listen carefully. Look, tree, trap. Which ones have the same first sounds?
Tree and trap.
That's right, tree and trap. Dream, dry, thaw. Which ones have the same first sound?
Dream, dry.
Great job, dream and dry. Done, press, proud. Which ones have the same first sounds?
Press, proud.
Good job, press and proud have the same first sound. Awesome job, identifying words with the same first sound.
Now it's time for us to get our choppers out.
That's right. Bruce and I are going to chop all the sounds we hear in a word. When Bruce does this, you'll put it together and say what our word is. Listen carefully. T-r-a. Tray. B-r-a-sh. Brush. K-r-a-p. Crop. D-r-i-v. Drive. Let's do one more word. G-r-a-n-d. Grand.
Awesome job putting all the sounds together in a word to make a word.
That's right. Now for our next activity, let me see here. We are going to identify the middle sound we hear in 3 words. I'll say 3 words. You'll just say what the middle sound is. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Pledge, spent, trek. What's the middle sound? Good job. Drink, space, snail. What's the middle sound?
A.
That's right. A. Stock, plot, drop. What's the middle sound?
Ah.
Good job. Ah. Let's do one more set of words. Still, cliff, trick. What's the middle sound? That's right.
Awesome job identifying the middle sound here in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out.
That's right. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then you'll chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here we go. Say probe. Now chop probe. P-r-o-b. Good job. Say tribe. Now chop, tribe. T-r-i-b. Good job. Say break. Now chop, break. B-r-a-k. Good job. Let's do one more word. Say gravy. Now chop, gravy. G-r-a-v-e.
Awesome job putting all the sounds together in a word to make a word.
Now for our next activity, we're going to start with a word. I'll tell you the first sounds to change. And when Bruce does this, you're going to say what our new word is. Here we go. Say blind. Change bull to grr. Grind. Say clip. Change cl to grr. Grip. Say fly. Change f to purr. Pry. I think I said that one more wrong. Let's try again. Fly. Change full to purr. Pry. That makes more sense. Let's do one more word. Say fleece. Change full to grr. Grease. Great job changing the first sound in words to make a new word. Now, we are going to start by saying the ending chunk or rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add. And when Bruce does this, you're going to say what our word is. Here we go. Say writer. Add b. Brighter. Say rye. Add f. Fry. Say rost. Add f. Frost. Say ravel. Add t. Travel. Let's do one more word. Say risk. Add b. Brisk. Awesome job starting with the ending chunk or rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and putting it together to say what our word is.
Is everybody ready for our last activity? We're going to say a word, then we'll take away the first sound, and when I go like this, you're going to say the chunk of the word that's left.
Is everybody ready? Here we go. Say broom. Say it without b. Room. Say prince. Say it without p. Rinse. Say brain. Say it without b. Rain. Good job. Let's do one more word. Say prize. Say it without p. Rise. Great job.
That's all we have for today, friends. Hope you have a super awesome day, and we'll see you again next time.
You guys are doing great with sounds and words. We'll see you tomorrow for more. Have a great day.